Hello everyone, welcome back to Victor's Analytics Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to split cells in Microsoft Excel. This video is a continuation to my previous video where I showed you how to combine cells in Microsoft Excel. Again, I'm going to show you 4 ways you can split cells in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, I'll show you how to split cell using the flash fill. Secondly, I'll show you how to use this Microsoft built-in feature, text to column. I'll show you how to use it to split cells in Microsoft Excel. Thirdly, I will show you how to build a formula, split cell using a formula. And lastly, I'll show you how to use Power Query to split your cell. Okay, so Flash Fill. Flash Fill was introduced in Excel 2013, and it has been in every version of Excel since then. And it's very easy to use. What I just need to do to split cells here, I just need to type the first name and the last name in two different cells. I can go ahead and start typing my second name, my third name, and Excel recognizes what I want to do. So I hit enter. Okay. I will show you another way to use the flash fill command. Let's assume you're in your home tab. Just go over to your data tab, use this flash fill, and everything is being done for you automatically. Okay, so in this example, I'm going to be showing you how to split cells using the text to column feature in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to select my range. Now I'm in my data tab. Go over to your text to column. Okay, choose the file type that best describes your data, delimited. Okay, so I'm going to unselect this for a minute now. Okay, so what is separating my first name from my last name? It's not semicolon, it's not comma, it is space. So I need to select space. As you can see, it show me a preview of how my data is going to look like. As you can see it down here. Okay, I'm going to leave general checked in. So what is this? What this is going to do now is you are not going to see this full name again. Everything is going to be separated. Okay, so I hit finish. My next way to split cells is using a function. I'm building a formula out of that function, and it is a complicated way that is going to take more time. No, but when you spend your time writing out these functions and formula and finally getting to split your cell, it pays off, and I'm going to show you why. But before I go ahead to start writing my formulas and functions and splitting this text, I'm going to first of all explain the finished one. Now, if you look above here, I have several functions here. My left, which is me telling Excel, hey, look at this cell. Look at the first character in this cell. Then I have my stage. I'm looking for something in this cell. I'm looking for a space. That's what this is here. Quotation, then space, quotation. I'm looking for a space now. Now take away that space, the -1. Take away that space and return characters before that space to me. Now, and here I have my Sophia. Now, if I go over to Wiley, now I'm looking at everything after this space. Then I also have my length, which is me saying return how many characters are in this text, are in this cell. Now, minus it by the space, then return characters after the space to me. So let me go ahead and start building that from scratch. Okay, so my left, my text. Now, when you are writing a function, when you are writing a formula in Excel, any argument in square brackets is optional. It's not necessary. So now I need to put my next function, my search. I'm looking for that space within this cell. Okay, then I close my and R -1, close my parenthesis. Then I drag it down. Okay, So now my right text, number of characters. Now I put my length, this, then minus search for my space. When you find that space, minus that space, then return characters after that space to me. Now I'm going to show you why it is, you know, is not this way of splitting cells is not a waste of time. To me, I prefer this way than using the flash fill because, okay, let me show you. If I'm to update something here, let me just put S, it automatically updates. Meanwhile, I can't do that with the flash fill. I need to go ahead and write it all over again, yeah, as you can see. Now, let me show you how to split cells using Power Query. So I'm on my data tab now from table. Okay, so this is where it is selecting, which is very wrong. So I need to select my range. Yes, my table has headers. Okay, now I just have to go and go over to this split column, split by delimiter, space. Yeah, what is separating my first name from my last name? That's what this delimiter is just asking me for. Okay, space, each occurrence of the delimiter. Okay, and I hit OK. Okay, so I can rename this into my first name, and my last name. I can even rearrange the setting by dragging it over here, dragging it around, dragging it around. Okay, now let me go over to my Excel. It's going to create a new worksheet. Okay. If you want to keep up with my content, subscribe and hit that notification bell.